What we do is we provide families with no-cost rooftop solar. We have done so far 36 residents with our rooftop solar. Our goal is to do 60 based on the dollar amount, the average cost per project.
We're here installing 17 modules on the home of Gloria Smith.
I got the flyer and then I thought about it and called it in and see how it was, and they said it was through Fresno, and I hope it do well for me in the payment part, because in the summertime it's real up there, about $300 or $400, yeah.
If you think about it in the term of numbers, let's just say their monthly bill is $100 a month. So with a no-cost solar system on their roof, they're going to save 70%. So that's $70 of actual savings that goes back in their pocket on a monthly basis. Along with the program, we have a commitment to work with our friends at the Fresno Housing Authority, who have many complexes in Southwest Fresno. So our commitment with them is to do 5 complexes. So far we have done 2. So in the near future, we'll be doing the other 3.